All right, good afternoon, traders. Today we're taking a look at platinum futures, October platinum or PLV9, depending on what platform you're using. And as you can see, we have gone absolutely parabolic at nosebleed vertical levels in this contract. And today, as of this recording, we're up 3.5% or 34 points. And it's often said that what goes up must come down. And in the markets, we like to say stairs up and elevator down. Well, it's kind of the opposite in this case. We have taken almost a train up, and I would not be surprised to see similar action to the downside when platinum does decide to correct. Now, this is not a market for the faint of heart. I would not advise stepping in and trying to fade this market or short this market at this time. But there's a couple of interesting points to be made here, which poses the question, have we risen too far too fast? Now, if you look over here on the right-hand side, we have a seasonality widget, and this is the 5-year price average. Here is today's current price. You can see we've been skyrocketing up. And notice that right here, around the first to second weeks of September, we start to drift lower. In fact, we drift lower all the way into October. We trade a little bit sideways, and we continue to trade lower all the way into November. If we look at a weekly chart, notice that we are powering up and through the 200-day moving average. That's a very important moving average and one that you'll certainly want to respect. We go back and see if we've had any prior price structure at these levels for reference. We can see that indeed we do, right up here around the 1030 level, or about 40 points away. So right now we're powering up through the 200-day average. Looks to be marching pretty steadily up to this 1030 level, which happens to be past prior market structure. Another tool that we can do is take a Fibonacci retracement from this last swing high made in August of 2016, and we draw that down to this last swing low made in August of 2018. And notice that that price level is the 618 retracement almost to the tick. So this is an area that I'll be paying close attention to here in this 1020 to 1030 level for a potential reversal signal. Additionally, what I wanted to do while we wait for a potential reversal on the daily and or weekly charts is compare this to seasonality. So I pulled up our smart seasonal software, ran a scan for October platinum, and you'll notice that we do have two bearish seasonal windows right around the corner. First one here starting on September 10th, lasting for approximately 20 days or ending at the end of September, 83% win rate over the last 6 years. And we actually get a second opportunity here in November, starting on the 1st of November, lasting to about the 14th. Also an 83% win rate over the last 6 years. You can see that the average profit for these two trades has been around $3,300 and $1,300 respectively. Last year, we had a losing trade of around $1,500 to $1,600, but prior to that, it was pretty steady, averaging over $3,000 per contract. And here you can see the year-by-year breakdown and your equity curve if you had taken that trade every year over the last 6 years. So I would add platinum to your watch list. Don't try to fade this market on this strength. Be patient. Wait for a reversal pattern such as the very reliable 1, 2, 3, head and shoulders top, or any other of your favorite technical patterns. So good luck, and we'll see you on the next update.